Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with an Excel automation, and in this automation, we need to fill in the values from column B to column K down to the next available, just before the next available entry. Like in this case, we'll be filling in from B3 to B36, 736 till column K. And then again, we are going to fill in the values which are available on row 737 till row 1930, and so forth and so on. So for that, what I'm going to do, I have created a copy of it, and the code will take in the product, the tab name products. I have made a copy and I'm currently highlighting those rows yellow so that we can see, okay, those rows are there, and those rows will get, maybe we can call it a green one, and this one a blue. This demo is just to show you, okay, so it is filling all the values, or right the way down to bottom. It should fill in down to 1941, not before and not after that. So the yellow, blue, and green. All right. So for that, either you can go to the developer. If you have a developer option, go to the macros, and here you will see the fill in value down and click run it. This is one way, and the other way is that I have added this button, which I will also add in this product tab. For that, what you need to do, just copy that and paste it in here. That's here now. All right. So I'm going to products A. This is a tab copied with only 19 and 40, 1941 entries, so that we can see the demo. So I'll click on it and you can see it filled down to the 737, I guess. You can see 736. And from 737, it has filled in the blue values, which will go down to the 1941, I guess. 1936, I guess. 1930, all right. So from 1931 to 1941, we have these values in here, which are similar. So this is just a quick demo with 3 entries only. And I'm going to run this on the products tab. All right, so there are 93,602 entries in here, and the data is starting from column B to column K will get filled in. So if I'll press on this button plus sign, it's going to take a bit while because there are a lot of entries, but not too much, I guess. I'll keep on recording so that we can see how much time it's going to take. So it's 12:14 here. Let's see if it takes. Oh, all right, so within less than a minute, so it's still 12:40. So within less than a minute, it filled in all the values and seems to be correct, I guess. Yep. All right, so that's it from my side. Let me share this file with you so that you can have it tested. And please do let me know if there are any further modifications should you require. And looking forward for your response. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.